leadership in the legal context is a bit different, in part because what we are trying to build is a relationship as a trusted advisor to our clients. And what we take folks that have come out of law school, and so they have a lot of legal chops, but they don't necessarily know how to be that trusted advisor. And I think that one of the things that's challenging perhaps about leadership in a law firm setting is that folks are really growing over their career, and we're trying to direct not only leadership on individual projects, but also leadership in the growth of the person throughout their career.
So a leader on a sports team, they're responsible for making sure everyone knows the plays and what's supposed to happen and what the result of the game is. I think leadership on a litigation team is not dissimilar to that. You have an objective, you have rules by which you play, you have plays by which the task or the litigation goes by. So it's a lot the same. I think that in various contexts, a good leader, in leadership skills itself, they are very transferable. You know, obviously playing football is a lot different than practicing law. So the underlying skills of being a lawyer are very different. But when you translate that out or distill that to what leadership is, then I think across the spectrum of activities, it's very much the same.
I think there's some key characteristics to a leader: honesty, purpose, values, collaboration. But in a legal context, one thing that lawyers need to also bring to the conversation around leadership is, I believe, is ethics. We're often viewed as really just trying to find the legal boundaries of things that we do, but we also, I think, can bring ethics to the conversation to make sure we're doing the right thing and not just the legal thing.
I do think there are some specific qualities and jobs for leaders in the legal context, particularly in a law firm, because the primary job of a lawyer is to be the subject matter expert, to know the substantive legal practice, but we also need to train lawyers to be leaders and to help them learn how to manage others. And those are things that at a lot of corporations and in other contexts are built-in leadership training opportunities. In a law firm, in a legal practice, that training really comes much more through doing. And so functioning as a leader for a team in a law firm really requires a bit more training, perhaps on-the-job training, than might in other contexts.